Okay, let's continue. Practice problem number 4. A restaurant wants to test if a new menu increases customer satisfaction scores. Identify the null and alternative hypothesis and describe type 1 and type 2 errors. So we're given restaurant test new menu effect on satisfaction. Required HO, H1, type 1, and type 2 errors. Solution HO. Menu does not increase satisfaction. H1. Menu increases satisfaction. Type 1 error. Concluding menu increases satisfaction when it doesn't. Type 2 errors. Concluding menu does not increase satisfaction when it does. Practice problem number 5. A factory wants to check if a new machine reduces defects below 2%. Write HO, H1, and discuss what alpha equal to 0.01 would mean. So given factory defects is less than 2%, alpha is 0.01. So required HO, H1, significance, meaning. Solution. So HO, the defects is greater than or equal to 2%. H1, defects is less than 2%. So alpha is 0.01. That means there is 1% risk of rejecting HO when true. Practice problem number 6. A bank claims that their loan approval process takes 3 days on average. Formulate the hypothesis to test if the process takes longer and identify possible errors. So given average approval is 3 days. So required the hypothesis and possible errors. So solution HO, the average process is equal to 3 days. H1, the average process is greater than 3 days. Type 1 error. Concluding process is greater than 3 days when it's not. Type 2 error. Concluding process is less than or equal to 3 days when it's actually greater than 3. Number 7. A smartphone company says the average battery life is 12 years. Create HO and H1 to test if the battery lasts less than claimed. So we're given claim 12 hours, required HO and H1. So the solution, HO, battery life is equal to 12 hours. H1, battery life is less than 12 hours. Number 8. A fitness program claims that participants lose an average of 5 kilograms in a month. Identify HO, H1, and explain what a type 2 error would be. So given, average loss is 5 kilogram per month. So required HO, H1, type 2 error. So solution, HO, weight loss is equal to 5 kilograms. And then H1, weight loss is less than 5 kilograms. Type 2 error. Concluding program fails when it actually works. Number 9. A local library wants to test if a new reading program increases book borrowing. State the hypothesis and describe type 1 error. So given, test new program effect on borrowing. Required HO, H1, and then type 1 error. So solution, HO, program does not increase borrowing. H1, program increases borrowing. Type 2 error. Concluding, program works when it doesn't. Number 10. A car manufacturer claims that their new engine model reduces fuel consumption by 10%. Write HO, H1, and define alpha if using a 1% significance level. So given fuel reduction is equal to 10%, alpha 0.01. So required HO, H1, and then alpha. So the solution, HO, fuel reduction is less than or equal to 10%. H1, fuel reduction is greater than 10%. And then alpha is equal to 0.01, means 1% risk of type 1 error. Number 11. A company asserts that its employees work an average of 40 hours per week. Formulate hypothesis to check if the average differs and identify possible errors. So we're given average hours is equal to 40. Required hypothesis, possibly possible errors. Solution. So HO is equal, HO, mu is equal to 40 hours. And then H1, the mu is not equal to 40 errors. Type 1 error. Concluding hours differ when they don't. Type 2 error. Concluding hours don't differ when they do. Number 12. A farmer wants to test if a new fertilizer increases crop yield. Write HO, H1, and explain what type 1 and type 2 errors mean in this context. Given, test fertilizer effect on yield. Required. HO, H1, type 1, and type 2 errors. So solution. HO, fertilizer does not increase yield. H1, fertilizer increases yield. So type 1 error. Concluding increase when none. Type 2 error. Concluding no increase when there is one. Final answer. I see solution above. So next, number 13. A clinic claims that their vaccine is 95% effective. State HO and H1 and explain when alpha is 0.05. So, given effectiveness is equal to 95% and alpha is 0.05. Required HO, H1, and alpha. So HO, vaccine effectiveness is equal to 95%. H1, vaccine effectiveness is not equal to 95%. So alpha equal to 0.05 means 5% risk of rejecting through HO. Number 14. A supermarket introduces a new loyalty program and wants to check if it increases weekly sales. Formulate the hypothesis and describe potential type 1, type 2 errors. So we're given a test effect on weekly sales and then required HO, H1, type 1, and type 2 errors. Solution. HO, the program does not increase yield. And then H1, the program increases sales. Type 1 error. Concluding program increases sales when it doesn't. Type 2 error. Concluding program does not increase when it does. We will have the next part of our lesson.